Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video we have gone through the process of how to file the Tennessee sales tax return, and today we are gonna file another state, which is Illinois state. We will walk through the process of how we can file the sales tax return, the monthly sales tax return for Illinois state. Before we move to the topic, I would again request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that an update with regards to the taxation could not be missed by all of you. So on my screen you can see I have a spreadsheet open. That's the same pattern that I used to follow. Again, and the state sales tax rate is 6.25 for the Illinois, and I have that on my report. Now let's go to the portal and see how we can file this return. I am on the portal now. So here you can see I have the ST1 is a form of sales and use tax. So I'll click file a return, and then I will click file. Now I have to file the April return, and the due date for the April is 20th May, as you can see on the screen here. So I'll click yes, no, no. Now firstly it asks you for the deductions. So normally I put the deductions in my resale here because normally my sales are for resale purposes. If you could use any of these options based on the best option for you, whatever the best option is for you. So for me the resale is the best option, so I'm gonna put my non-taxable sales, which are these here. And then I'll click next. That's not something that we used to do. Okay, now here you have to input the total receipts, and then on the taxable receipts you have to put the taxable sales. So my total receipts are these, and now on the taxable sales, so normally previously what we were doing is that we used to input our taxable sales here, but now you have two options to file the Illinois. You have two ways you can file in the two ways. The first one is, as you see here, that you have to register your sales location. So you have to go to the department, or you have to call them, you have to reach out to the department, or either you have might have the option to online add the locations. That's the first option. You can add the locations, and then by location wise, what I mean by here is that in the cities here you have to add the counties, and then after adding the counties you have to fill the cities and counties sale taxable sales in a city and county wise, like we did for the Tennessee in our last video. But here, that's the first option. The second option is that you can use here. So what I can do here is I will just put the taxable sales here, right? This is my taxable sale, and then the rate is here. You can manually write the tax whatever you want to pay, or whatever you have collected from your customer. So right now I'm using that option. That's it is also an option, a legit option, but it will be more better to have that option to add the locations. But because currently I'm unable to locations by myself, I have to reach out to the department to add the locations. So therefore right now I'm using this option. If you have the option when you file this return for yourself, if you have that option that you can use the you can add the locations by yourself, or you can reach out to the department, then that's the best option to use here. But right now I'm using that option. Now if I see here my total tax, what is it, and equal line 1. Okay, so again I'm getting the difference here. What I will do here is 30029. This is okay now. Okay, now I want to see my discount. I'm getting 33 as a discount, and then I don't have a tax on purchases. Net tax due is this. I will click next. Now here it's asking money for the payment, and I will submit, and after I click the submit it will ask me to input my payment information, and my return will be submitted and the payment will be made. So this is how you can file the Illinois sales tax return. I hope this video is informative for you. If you have any questions, any suggestions, you can mention that in comment box. Thank you very much.